You may have heard the saying, blind as a bat, once or twice in your life. But truthfully, bats aren't actually blind. They just have teensy little eyes that can't perceive colors as well as humans can. In fact, bats' eyes are probably better than humans when it comes to seeing in the dark. Sometimes their little eyes can hinder their ability to find food, so bats use something called echolocation. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark. To echolocate, bats send out sounds from their mouth or their nose. When that sound wave hits an object, they produce echoes. The echo bounces off the object and returns to the bat's ears, almost like the object or the food is singing a song right back to them. The bat then swoops into action to munch on the delicious little bug. It goes a little something like this. Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba. No, 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 please, no, please.